Hi kids. Hi mom. Hi dad. Don't take this too serious. I'm an irrelevant degenerate. You'll never hear the end of this. More unpleasant in my etiquette than Ellen Lee DeGeneres. A menace with the test of stress to handle this. A button press is all that's left to send this to a therapist. An impressive mess that gets addressed. I've fallen off my pedestal, but I got it all. I've got my pencil, mind, and breath, but I've been dwelling on my rest because the swelling in my chest has got me yelling, got me selling at my best and balling fist. So now I'm making up a list of all the names to get it next. These have got me. They're gonna get it in their necks. I'm coming quick on the offense, and while I'm bubbling the suspense, I see him ducking, see him running, headless in my midst. This track's a practice, back in action, accidental happen. Passive passion got me acting, flashing madness like it's fashion. Expensive tactics, info bestowed on me, thanks the OZ, lock and load, let's go. Bill and he could me.
Bet you never thought you'd see me move like this. Bet you never thought you'd hear me groove like this. Bet you never thought you'd see me make this list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist. Here's the pretty boy and he flies like this. Here's the pretty boy and he strikes like this. Here's the pretty boy and he's got his list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist.
Let's take a page out of the play, the stage I run today. The game is still the same, but I engage a different way. I lay it plainly on the tape to bake in what I say. Like EDP out on the stick, I'm looking for the cake. Hey, just turned 30, I'm not gonna change. Mine is so dirty, it's rotting the brain. I should've done this earlier, way back in the day. The cash that I would save on the quacks that I've been paying, but now I wrap the brand new project so you know you love it. Mix them in my system, hear that mother breathe. Hit the drum kit, get the adjusted. Got a vision of precision, get the best that it can be. On my screen, on your feed, get it seen, rinse, repeat. Treat 'em mean, keep 'em keen while I'm stealing the scene. And y'all but still believe so long I'm breathing, I'm dreaming, I'm bleeding the beat, and I'm bringing the heat, cause
Bet you never thought you'd see me move like this. Bet you never thought you'd hear me groove like this. Bet you never thought you'd see me make this list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist. Here's the pretty boy and he flies like this. Here's the pretty boy and he strikes like this. Here's the pretty boy and he's got his list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist.
I got my ammunition, I'm in the ignition. The itch up in my kitchen, I'm stitching up the mission. I'm rolling in position while I'm zoning in this and got folks phoning in to listen, trying to fix a ticking piston, but it's way too late, it's fate. They're so debate, I think I'd let you take a swing and skate. I gotta set this straight, and this is me being Miles. Speed I Welker, get it wild. I'm spiffing bobs and hitting to call it Oscar style. Oh no, I'm getting mean again. The road, the evil seeping in. I'm leaning on life's median. Don't know what side to leap on in. For 4-year-old I'm riddling. Supposed to turn comedian. You lost the hope, I got the rope to show a leak 'em in. Part 2 rap battle coming out soon. First youth and Truesdale, can't forget about you. And don't you dare say you never knew, that's not true. The whole crew warned you. Now I'm gonna show you, and I
Bet you never thought you'd see me move like this. Bet you never thought you'd hear me groove like this. Bet you never thought you'd see me make this list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist. Here's the pretty boy and he flies like this. Here's the pretty boy and he strikes like this. Here's the pretty boy and he's got his list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist. Bet you never thought you'd see me move like this. Bet you never thought you'd hear me groove like this. Bet you never thought you'd see me make this list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist. Here's the pretty boy and he flies like this. Here's the pretty boy and he strikes like this. Here's the pretty boy and he's got his list. Crank the volume up and then just bounce and twist.
By the way, I'm just kidding. I'm not a comedian.
Shady could have done it better.